Retaining walls are often seen as just a decorative landscaping feature, but they serve several critical purposes, especially if you have a sloped yard. Building one can be a rewarding project that transforms your outdoor space's functionality and beauty while significantly boosting your home's curb appeal and resale value. But what exactly is a retaining wall, and how would you even begin to build one yourself? Today we're breaking down the why, the how, and the professional tips you need to succeed. Simply put, a retaining wall is designed to hold or retain soil behind it. It's a practical solution that offers a few major advantages. Preventing soil erosion. On a slope, rainwater can easily wash away your soil. A wall holds that soil in place, keeping your yard stable and helping keep your house level. Create usable space. Sloped yards are tricky to use. By leveling things out, you create flat areas perfect for gardens, patios, or play areas. Managed drainage. These walls help direct water runoff away from your home, preventing pooling and reducing the risk of flooding, mold, or foundation cracks. Support structures. On steep slopes, a wall provides essential support to prevent soil from shifting, which protects the very foundation of your buildings. This isn't just stacking stones and calling it a day. It requires thoughtful planning. Assess the slope. Evaluate the height and length needed to achieve your desired level area. Check regulations. Before you dig, check with your local authorities for necessary permits. Some areas have very specific guidelines for wall height and drainage. Choose your materials. Concrete blocks, durable, modern, and very DIY friendly. Natural stone offers a rustic, high-end look using granite or limestone. Bricks, perfect for a classic formal garden design. Timber, a great budget-friendly option for an informal vibe, though it may require more maintenance. Ready to roll up your sleeves? Here's the general process for a wall that stands the test of time. Site prep. Outline the location with stakes and dig a trench, usually about 1/10 the height of the wall. The foundation. Add 4 to 6 inches of gravel and compact it firmly. A solid base is the most important part of this build. The first course. Lay your very first row of blocks or timber. Use a level constantly here. If the base isn't level, the whole wall won't be. Drainage. Don't skip this. Place a perforated pipe behind the first row to prevent water pressure from building up. Build and backfill. Stagger your joints as you go up for stability. Backfill with gravel for drainage, cover with landscape fabric to prevent clogging, and finish with topsoil. To ensure your wall lasts for years, keep these pro tips in mind. Quality materials. Invest in high quality materials from the start to enhance durability. Regular inspections. Check your wall regularly for any signs of movement or damage. Prompt repairs. If you see an issue, address it immediately to maintain the wall's structural integrity. Whether you want to stop erosion or just add some elegance to your yard, a retaining wall is a smart investment. If this project seems too big to tackle on your own, Dalinghaus Construction is here to help. We are the #1 team for foundation and retaining wall work in Southern California, Nevada, and Arizona. We've helped thousands of families rediscover the beauty of their homes, and we'd love to help yours too. Contact us today for a free quote. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.